My name's Lois and I'm doing the costume design for Script to Screen.
I'm Alex, I'm doing the BBC Sound Apprenticeship.
My name's Lucy Robinson and I'm Art Department trainee for the BBC.
My name's Daniel Hall and we're going to be at GRIP.
I decided to do an apprenticeship because I had a huge interest in art and fashion and I felt it would benefit me more than school would.
I decided to do it because in going into sounds you don't really need a degree anymore. Getting a year's experience beforehand is worth a lot more. Also I get paid for it rather than paying for 3 years.
It's all about opportunities, I think, for me, and whatever opportunities come my way. Obviously I'm young and I want to try as many opportunities as possible. So yeah, it's another journey really to go down and try out.
I decided to do an apprenticeship because it's a good way to get a job, you get paid for it and you get experience.
I'd still like to work within the media industry, working with fashion.
An employed one.
I hope to see myself in a stable job doing art and design, and hopefully grow in as well as a designer and a person along with a stable job.
I hope to be an assistant grip for the BBC.